I probably would be doing 10 questions 2 times. It does not matter whether you do 20 or whether you do 10, because in exam, there will always be a 21st question. Exam is not going to come from this 20 questions. So exam will always have a 21st question. If you do not understand question very well, if you do not understand the concept very well, what will happen? That 21st question will become challenging for you. So when you read one question or long question I'm speaking about, when you do one question first time, trust you me, you do not understand it fully. You understand some of the concepts or many concepts, but there are some twists which you do not notice. And when you see the 11th question or 21st question and there is that twist, you do not understand that. But when you do a question 2 times, and I'm saying it by the way, minimum 2 times. Okay, 3 probably is more, but 2 times is definitely you are doing. First time you do it, you just do it. Second time you really understand it. So very honestly speaking, if I have got 20 hours, I would never do 20 questions one time. I would do 10 questions 2 times. This is, I say, quality over quantity.